5 signs you need to break down solids in your septic tank immediately. A septic tank quietly manages household waste, but when solids start building up, problems can emerge fast. Ignoring these early warnings can lead to costly damage, foul smells, and even system failure. Watch for these signs. You need to break down solids in your septic tank immediately before it's too late. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 5 signs it's time to break down the solids. 1. Persistent bad odors. If your drains or yard smell like sewage, that's a strong sign your tank is full of undigested solids. When waste isn't breaking down properly, gases escape and create noticeable, unpleasant odors. 2. Slow draining sinks and toilets. Multiple drains moving slowly often point to a septic backup. Excess solids can clog pipes and filters, slowing down the flow throughout your entire plumbing system. 3. Gurgling sounds in plumbing. Unusual noises like bubbling or gurgling from drains or toilets may indicate blocked pipes or air trapped by solid buildup inside the septic system. 4. Standing water in the yard. If you see water pooling near the drain field, even when it hasn't rained, it could mean solids have clogged the system, forcing wastewater to surface. 5. Extra green grass over the septic area. A bright, green patch of grass can look healthy but might be a red flag. Escaping solids release nutrients that overstimulate plant growth and signal leakage or overflow. These signs you need to break down solids in your septic tank immediately shouldn't be ignored. Using biological additives or scheduling a tank pumping can prevent major damage. Regular maintenance keeps your system efficient, and your property safe. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.